L-39NG a candidate to replace the S-211, and Kooryong rocket launchers may be delivered by June 2022. Please like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Here is a roundup or summary of news related to the modernization of the armed forces of the Philippines recently. First off is that the aircraft manufacturer in the Czech Republic Aero Vodochody Aerospace AS posted on their official website the news that their L-39NG aircraft has been listed as one of the aircraft that could possibly replace the S-211 trainer aircraft of the Philippine Air Force. The L-39NG is a jet-powered military trainer aircraft that also has light combat capability. It can carry up to 1,640 kilograms of external weapons and equipment, and has a maximum speed of 780 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum range of 2,130 kilometers and can be armed with up to 20mm caliber gun pods, short-range air-to-air missiles and laser-guided bombs and rockets. I was able to take some pictures of the scale model presented by the Aero Vodochody company during the recent Asian Defense and Security exhibit. Here they are. Meanwhile, the long-awaited K136 Kooryong Multiple Launch Rocket System or MLRS that are being donated by South Korea to the Philippines are finally scheduled for delivery within this year of 2022, and could arrive as early as June. The bidding for the transportation of the units from South Korea though was still being done by the Department of National Defense as of April of 2022. The delivery of the Kooryongs is dependent on the success of that bidding, and how fast can it be implemented if successful. The budget for the transportation is set at 20.9 million Philippine pesos, or around 402,000 United States dollars assuming an exchange rate of 52 pesos per dollar. A total of 22 Kooryongs will be allocated to the Philippine Army and the Philippine Marine Corps. No indication in the latest news on exactly how many units each organization will get, but previous news reports said that the Philippine Army will get a majority of the launchers. Each K136 Kooryong launcher can carry up to 36 130mm caliber rockets. Most references available in the internet say that the rockets have a range of up to 36 kilometers, but the latest news articles quote a vastly further range of up to 80 kilometers. So to summarize, the L-39NG was announced by its manufacturer as a possible replacement of the S-211 aircraft of the Philippine Air Force, while the K136 Kooryong rocket launchers for the Philippine Army and Marines could arrive as early as June of 2022. Thank you for watching the video. I invite you again to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel.